Okay, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter number 6, Ubiquitous Wireless Communication of Mobile Computing. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about of the following article. First is introduction, scenarios of mobile computing communication, mobile communication generation, first generation to third generation, and third generation mobile communication network, universal mobile telecommunication system UMTS. First move to the introduction. The ideas of 4As, that means anywhere, anytime, anything, anyone. Networking is at the core of a new emerging networking technology referred to as ubiquitous networking. The four objectives of ubiquitous networking are as follows: freed from networking constraints concerning capacity, location, and different link ops; freed from the constraints of terminal limitation; freed from the constraints of limited services and contents; freed from the constraints of network risk. So these are the main objective of the ubiquitous networking. And in the ubiquitous networking, the main the 4As: anywhere, anything, anytime, anything, anyone, and these are the objectives. Next is your mobile communication generation, that means first generation, second generation or 2G, third generation 3G, or fourth generation 4G. So these are, you can say, these are also the evolution of the mobile communication. First generation, it refers to the first generation of wireless telephony, telephone technology, mobile telecommunication, and these are the analog telecommunication standards that were introduced in 1979 and the early to mid 1980s and continued until being replaced by 2G digital telecommunication. The main difference between the two mobile telephone systems, 1G and 2G, is that radio signals used by 1G network are analog while 2G networks are digital, that means 14.4 kbps per speed. Next is your second generation. It provides three primary benefits over their predecessor. Phone conversation are digitally encrypted. 2G systems are also significantly more efficient on the spectrum, allowing for far greater mobile phone penetration level. That means in the 2G mobile the spectrum system is applicable, and the spectrum means is nothing the group of the bandwidths. And next is your 2G introduced data services for mobile, starting with SMS, short message service, plain text based message. 2G technologies enable the various mobile phone networks to provide the services such as text message, picture message, and MMS multimedia message service. Again, 2G cellular telecommunication network are commercially launched on the GSM standards in Finland by Radio Linja in 1991. So next is in the 2.5 generation or 2.5G denotes 2G systems that have implemented a packet switch domain in addition to the circuit switch domain. It does not necessarily provide faster service because bundling of the time slots is used for circuit switch data services as well, and also called general packet radio services or GPRS. 2.75G GPRS networks evolved to enhanced data rates for GSM evolution networks with the introduction of 8 PSK encoding. 3G technology provides an information transfer rate of at least 144 kilobits per second. Later 3G releases often denoted 3.5G and 3.75G, and also provide mobile broadband access of several megabits per second to smartphones and mobile modems in laptops, computers. And this ensures it can be applied to wireless voice telephony, mobile internet access, fixed wireless internet access, video calls, and mobile TV technology. So 3G technology provides information transfer rate at least 144 kilobits per second. Later 3G releases often denoted 3.5 and 3.75G generation. Next come to the 4G or 4th generation. The 4th generation provides, in addition to the usual voice and other services of 3G, mobile broadband internet access, for example, to laptops with wireless modems, to smartphones and to other mobile devices, potential and current application, include amended mobile web classes, IP technology, gaming services, high definition mobile TV, video conferencing, 3D television, and cloud computing. So these are including 4G on mobile system, LTE to a long-term evolution. In the 4G system, there are two things, LTE and VoLTE. There are two things. LTE means long-term evolution, is commonly marketed as 4G LTE, but it did not initially meet the technical criteria of a 4G wireless service, as specified in the 3GPP Release 8 and 9 document series for LTE Advanced. Given the competitive pressures of WiMAX and its evolution with advanced new releases, it has become synonymous with 4G, and it was fast evolution with advanced new releases. It has become synonymous with 4G, and it was first you can say commercially developed in Norway and Stockholm in 2009, and in the United States by version in 2011, and they are newly acquired 700 MHz per band. Similarly, 4.5G provides better performance than 4G systems as a process step towards deployment of full 5G capability, and the technology includes LTE Advanced Pro and MIMO technology. That is the thing. Next is your Universal Mobile Telecommunication System, or UMTS. UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication Services, is a third generation broadband service, packet-based transmission of text, digitized voice, video, and multimedia data rates up to 2 megabits per second. UMTS offers a consistent set of services to mobile computer and phone users. No matter where they are located in the world, UMTS is based on the Global System for Mobile GSM Communication Standard. UMTS are designed to deliver pictures, graphics, video communication, and other multimedia information. So Universal Mobile Telecommunication UMTS is a broadband service, packet-based transmission of text, digitized voice, video, and the multimedia data rates up to 2 megabits per second. UMTS offers a consistent set of services to mobile computer and phone users, and UMTS are designed to deliver pictures, graphics, video communication, and other multimedia information. What are the services of UMTS? It provides support for both voice and data services. Data services provide different QoS. QoS means quality of service. And UMTS network services accommodate QoS classes for 4 types of traffic. And conversation classes, you have to be a voice, video, telephony, video gaming. Streaming class, multimedia and webcast. Interactive class, web browsing, network gaming, database access, and the background class, email, SMS, and file downloading. So these are the UMTS services. And within that, suppose the multimedia activities, like you can transfer the videos, telephony, video gaming, and web browsing, network gaming, database access, and the email service, SMS, and file downloading. These are the services under the UMTS services. Next is what are the, you can say the application, or you can say the services, the following services: internet access, intranet access, or extranet access. Next is your customized information, entertainment. Next is your multimedia, messaging, location based services. So these are the UMTS following services. Okay, so today for today's class this much. Next we are going to discuss the next. Thank you to all.